Okay, so I took the last, I believe what was the last of several trains, no, I mean trams, from the ferry terminal to my stop. Yeah, and I got into this lift. Okay, I need to press first. So anyway, this is how the inside of the lift looks like. I thought, yeah, maybe it'll be interesting. So the outside has one door which you need to push open. Then this one is like a spring, which is why it's super hard to open and close. Yeah, and then the hotel is on the 5th floor, so you just check. It actually has numbers, but it's not like very explicit unless I zoom in. You can see this one says 5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In the morning it will be a bit clearer, but as you saw from earlier, there are staircases, but then of course you don't have to take those. And then 5 will, I think the rest of the floors will end up opening this door instead. Yeah. Okay. This is 5. And then I was told to open this door as well. Okay, there we go. It's not very hard. Okay, I hope it locks up on its own. But yeah. Yeah, so mine says like number 5 over here. Yeah, so yeah, it's a bit hard to do this with one hand, but okay, we've done it. Okay, maybe I need to turn on the lights first. Okay, and then now it's locked. Okay, great. I kind of just left my luggage over here when I checked in. Yeah, but basically I'm back and it's, what time is it now? 01:05. Yeah, this is like not your typical hotel because I don't know why there's a sink here. So even the Australian ones won't have it here, they will have it in the toilet instead. But then where's the toilet? It's like outside. So that's kind of interesting. I was like not very sure why this is put here, but okay. There's a TV inside here. Yeah. What else do I have to say? Okay. Well, good night, I guess. I can afford to sleep a little bit, like wake up a little bit later, because tomorrow's event starts at like 11 or 12, so not too bad. Okay, good night.